So manager cartography on itself was not something I'm connected with a business consultant, if you will, and tech consultant, a tech expert. But here had a similar situation where then the AAO says check out who the contracts are, who the clients are, to show the clients are big, and more detail on that to show that it's national in scope. And then there was another one here, December 31st, 01. And let me open that up. December 31st, go all the way to the end of the case files. 31st, the first case. And this is more similar. We're doing a project manager, data foundations, and request manager. So it's a guy who's working with a platform of some software company to develop some stuff. And that really helped me get a better understanding of why they were ultimately denied in this case and how we could argue differently. So here, like the person that was in charge of the tech had also 15 other project managers. So that differentiates from our case because our guy's the top guy running alone, but here he was like one of many. So it watered down what he is to that location. And then there was another one about like a dentist who was making laser dentist specialist who's trying to make a company, but I had that copy paste here. And then there's another one that was really similar. I think this platform engineer to cloud infrastructure. This is December 18th. First case. So it's the 18th, the first case. And we scroll down to the analysis. And this is where it gets more interesting. I wanted to read through all this with you, so I was going to highlight it, but then I thought it might sound really boring reading out a bunch of stuff on a podcast. So I thought I'd just focus on showing you how you could use this data to be able to do stuff rather than going too much into the legal technicality of what the case was about. But it talks about how this platform, and again, it goes to the fact that how effective is this company in the wider scope of things, how influential are they? So if you're doing this within it, you're affecting the national economy. Who are the clients you can show that are there? Who else is in the company working to show that works directly related to what you're doing, so they don't go back to you later. And then there are senior researchers, artificial intelligence. So there's different things. So at the same time, there's funny stuff that in there too, separate from this whole case I talked about. There's a bakery and pastry chef, a film animator detector as a national interest waiver, a water polo coach, a skydiving instructor, a couple of airline and commercial pilot cases are all denied. And there's chaplain in the U.S. Air Force. So there's things that you don't expect and almost always denied, but could be interesting. There's another one